Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Legit. A couple of days ago, this fantastic video emerged online of a moped rider catching two moped thieves in the act and detaining them there until armed police turn up. So let's check it out.
Ladrão de moto, tem que tomar. Prende. Prende. Aí, boa. Menos um ladrão de moto. Os vagabundos. Menos um ladrão de moto. Yes. Good. Adiantou. Menos um ladrão de moto, ó. Vagabundo. Eram três. Olha a cara do ladrão, ó. Olha a cara do ladrão, vagabundo. Olha a cara do ladrão, vagabundo. Boa. Parabéns à agilidade da polícia. Olha a cara do vagabundo. Olha a cara do vagabundo.
God damn, that was gratifying to watch. I'm so happy they got nicked. That guy just held them there. What a brave dude, man. Like, if I ever bump into you, I'm buying you a pint. That is a promise. That's a legit promise. Pretty sure I saw Clark Kent there whip out a warrant card, so I'm thinking he was probably an off-duty police officer. Didn't really look like he was doing much though, probably because the other units were just arriving on scene. But oh my god, that was fantastic. I'm not entirely sure what's gone wrong with the youth of today. It seems like in their world, things that you're about to see next are perfectly normal to do. You and I, on the other hand, would never dream of doing half this stuff, but they seem to have no problem with doing it. With no solution in sight, what could possibly be the answer? Do we bring back national service, teaching everyone respect and standards? I don't know, what do you think? Comment down below.
Hey, few people are watching this. Fagsy or Charlie?
Yeah,
Yes, John!
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah!
You know we've got two bikes, lad.
We're out here! Yeah,
I got some wheelie video.
yeah! Oh, yes, lad. What the? What?
These are the type of boys who are growing up these days teaching others that that type of behaviour is normal. Obviously it's not. You and I know that because we're decent people. Fingers crossed at some point in their lives they end up behind bars and they have a divine intervention and just change their ways. Anyway, that's it for this week's episode. So guys, thank you very much for watching. You've been awesome. I've been Legit. I'll see you in the next one.